turn the system and pay the cash. Lots of fun will come in store. Who knew Skittle will be the first to break? Then come Go-Go and a Pokeball. We'll have a game with no types at all. Finally, gonna play them Max is great. There's also an interesting Pokemon who'll be totally boss. Time to catch or shake to Dusclops. For the first time in forever, there'll be puzzles, there'll be fights. For the first time in forever, I'll be gaming through the night. Don't know if I'll be picking or Chansey, maybe it'll be Magnezone. But for the first time in forever, I won't play X alone. I can't wait to catch everyone. What if I catch the one? Tonight, imagine me catching them all. Fuzzing and Kletzo with Barbicle. The picture of legendary stylish race. I suddenly see you gonna stand up there. A boss to keep up too strong in your air. I wanna catch it with the day. Then a quick and clap of fire morning. The game's scary when I see like him from afar. Nothing like the games I played so far. For the first time in forever, they'll be switching, they'll be fun. For the first time in forever, when I touch a place, I was till I'm done. If I somehow find a Cragilly or a Darmanitan, but for the first time in forever, I've got to be playing stands. Don't let me them sisters in. I'm letting you concentrate. Can you see how you change to heal or lengthen and glow? Make one weak move and the good ones won't show. It's only a fun game. The Pokemon wait. Captures my junior. I can't wait. For the first time in forever, I got the type of game I love to play, but chance to catch them all. However, a chance to find a skull. Hope I don't die to swallow, so I'll use Pikachu. It'll be great. It's for the first time in forever. For the first time in forever, things are going my way. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give it a like. And I was actually going to do an original version of this, but it kind of failed on me because it was in a live segment. I'm not really used to making videos like that. But if you hate it more than a giant snake picking up a building with its mouth and throwing it straight at your face, just give it a dislike. If you want to take a risk because I might download new videos, you can subscribe to my channel. And also, leave your friend code, AliPly. I will unlock more friend safaris. Well, that's it for now.